I just finished with Spot, so I thought I'm gonna show you how to clean his bridle. It's important you use a really good oil for your leather. So there's a bunch of different oils out there on the market. All-purpose oil is very cost effective. But what we use for our bridles is Belvar Tech Cleaner and Tech Conditioner. So, clean towels here in the back, in the chest, which we will also use. So now I'm going to show you how to clean the bridle. Step 1, use the Tech Cleaner. Don't worry about these specific training reins, because these are made out of fabric, and so we're not cleaning those. But the other reins, of course, we do. And also, once a month, we're actually taking apart the whole bridle and opening all the buckles and everything. But for now, we'll just do it like this. First, we're using the Tech Cleaner. Make sure you really get into every dirty spot from the bridle, but really focus on the inside, because that is where all the sweat and the hair gets stuck, as you can see. So we're spraying it on. And then with the towel, we're rubbing in the Tech Cleaner. As you can see, I'm really getting into these stitches, because that is where a lot of dirt gets stuck. So you really want to make sure to get all that out. There you go. Once you're done with the whole bridle, we're finishing it off with the Tech Conditioner. Excuse me. We're doing the same thing. We're spraying it on. I hope you can see it like this. And also the outside. And we're doing the same thing with the towel. We're massaging it into the leather, but not too much. You want to keep this little shine, because that gives it a chance to absorb. If you are interested in other videos about horse ownership, stable management, then subscribe to our channel. If you are interested in being an intern here, let us know. And I would love to hear your questions, so please leave a comment and I will be sure to answer. Hope to see you here again soon.